Welcome back to another Software Ideas Modeler tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to convert attributes to properties in a class, adjust their naming conventions, and set their visibility. We'll also cover how to create getter and setter methods for specific attributes. This is a valuable skill for organizing and refining your UML diagrams. Here we have a class named Document with several attributes. Let's convert these attributes into properties. The first step is to select the attributes you want to convert. You can do this in two ways. Hold the Control key and click on Individual Attributes. This method is useful when the attributes are not adjacent to each other. If the attributes are consecutive, click on the first attribute, then press and hold Shift and click on the last attribute. This will select all attributes in the range. Now that we have our attributes selected, it's time to convert them into properties. Right-click on the selected attributes to open the context menu. Navigate to Stereotypes and then select Property. This step annotates all the chosen attributes with the property stereotype and simultaneously alters their visibility to public. Our next step is to update the casing of these properties to Pascal case. Go to the Field Ribbon tab and find the Adjust Names drop-down button in the field group. Click on it and select the Pascal case option. This will update the casing of all selected properties. Occasionally, we require properties that aren't public. For instance, let's change the visibility of the ID property to Protected. To do this, right-click on the ID property, navigate to the Visibility submenu in the context menu, and select Protected. This action will change the visibility of the ID property to Protected. Finally, let's focus on the Content attribute, which we've ignored so far. Right-click on the Content attribute and select Add Getter and Setter from the context menu. This will automatically add two operations, Get Content and Set Content, with the correct return types and parameters to the class. And that's how you can effectively manage attributes and properties in your classes using Software Ideas Modeler. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tutorials like this.